Bombs for Josh, part 6. Let's get into it. So in database system, within the ABOMB top-level data, we have a little shorthand reference to 0, or I guess an alias to 0 to make things more readable. And all the code in this section is stolen from the hotel13.js. These are the different bomb, laser, and spark pin designs. So all of the designs for the tiles on the bomb layer. Okay, so let's go through them. So this is a blank pattern. So this is our namespace, ABOMB08. The A81 stands for array of 81 uint32s, and then we have these other names here as well. So bomb0, the 0 stands for v16 value of 0, tile value of 0. It's just an empty pattern. Okay, this is a spark pin, and it is a slow spark pin. It emits a spark. And if the spark hits a bomb, the bomb explodes. The spark does not hurt the player. The spark can also cause a laser box to blast. This is a fast spark pin with a box-style explosion. This is a ring-style spark pin. And these are aliases for these. So pin slow, pin fast, and pin ring are going to be in slots 1, 2, and 3 of the array we're eventually going to put this data in. We have our left-facing laser box, we have our right-facing laser box, we have our top-facing laser box, we have our bottom-facing laser box. So these are lasers that point in one direction, and they go infinitely in one direction and take out one tile at a time. So one pulse, one tile. These are the serial numbers for the lasers. So we have 4, 5, 6, and 7 for all the laser boxes. The bombs. So here's the vertical bomb pattern. Here's the horizontal bomb pattern. We have the short 4-way bomb pattern and the instant kill bomb pattern. And then we have some more serial numbers here. So 8 through 11 is going to be the patterns for the Jax style bombs, the tendril bombs. And then 12 through 13 is going to reuse those same exact graphics, but they're going to be for the box bombs. The box bombs and tendril bombs will have the same decal in the middle, but they'll have a different profile. And that's it. So if you want a longer explanation of this, you can go here to Ninja Coder. You are on the Fast playlist on the Kanji Coder playlist. So like and subscribe, send money in the mail. I'm Kanji Coder.